Guess what, traders? Today I have good news for either a beginner trader or traders who like simple stress-free trading. They don't like complicating things. So let me show you how you'll be using double bottoms to capture such moves. This is the simplest approach in the market. So let's do a quick top-down analysis to see how we captured the move that was on that in. This is daily time frame. You notice that the market was moving in an uptrend and it was currently retesting at this daily order block. Narrowing down to the H4 time frame, you'll notice something. As the market was moving up, here we had some order block here below. So the market did some smart money concepts here, some inducement there, and then retested from this order block, now started moving up. Furthermore, I keep reminding you, anytime you see this pattern, you see this liquidity, trading liquidity here, just be sure all this is resting liquidities and it must be cleared. That was further confirmation we shall be having some buys. So if you go to the H1 time frame, our task is only to look for an entry criteria. So let's play the candles. You see, okay, let's draw the path. The market came, retested from this order block there, formed some double bottoms, moved upwards. Just look at this move. It was so sharp and clear. Up to that point, you see the first point of significance was that change of character at this point here, the moment it thrust upward. And then the second point was the break of structure upwards, was at this moment here. You see that moment, the market broke with this aggressive candle, and that confirmed a buy momentum. So the moment the market was coming this downward with these red candles here, it was just coming to retest from this. Let me magnify. To retest from this H1 order block. You see this H1 order block, that was where the market was coming to retest after moving like that, like that, like that, like that. So it was here to retest and continue moving upwards. At further confirmation, remember, here we are at the double bottom, and now it was retesting from this region. So ours was to go to the M15 time frame and look for an entry. Here at M15, as you play the candles, the first point of interest you notice is this candle. You see this one, green candle here, the indecision candle. That was the first confirmation that the market was in an indecision and there was a price exhaustion. So we were just looking for momentum to go upwards, and that is through an engulfing candle, which happened here 15 minutes later. You see this blue candle here, the moment it closed, it confirmed that the bulls had entered the market. So our task was so simple. We just came in the next candle that opened, we placed our buy orders there, stop loss just below here, 5 pips. You don't have to, the moment you are sure of your strategy, you don't have to keep big stop losses. And then as usual, I targeted 1:3, which was about 15 pips there. So that was a simple entry, and let's see how the market played out. It just did its magic there, and within some few hours we are out. So guys, that's how you can be using these double bottoms to capture the move. And if I were willing, as I had told you, I would hold this trade to come all the way up here to this zone to ensure that this liquidity is cleared. But at the moment, I was not willing to hold this trade. Let's see whether it happened. You see, within the next H4 candle, there we were. Yeah, that's a simple trading approach which you can be using. Till next time, bella ciao.